Welcome back, guys. We are gonna talk about where the description say. So Shenseea have new collaboration put up with Megan Thee Stallion months after featured on Kanye West album. Spice herself when missing after Shenseea did what she did. Also we have some other topics like Intence himself, this Popcaan, yeah, guys. We are gonna talk about that, guys. So this is just an intro for reminder to subscribe. Yeah, guys, so what really happened though is like Intence make a post on him Instagram and take it off him, delete it, but him never so quick enough. Him this Popcaan, you see me, and the way how him this him are definitely this, cause words from Alkaline song Microwave, where go is a diss track for Popcaan, you see me, and months back Popcaan himself when Skilly Bang and Intence with at it, Popcaan post a one video with some crocodile and say, don't grind me, yes right. So Intence himself make a post on him snap, him say bad for you sister, look boy, you know bad for me. Yeah, people, so it's a definite this. We are gonna see what I got more from here, and we're gonna really say you don't know the side pick already in the end of the day if you don't see that plus new artists are boss. Anyways, guys, so Shenseea, congratulations to her. I just want to say, it look good. Yes, me for a new upcoming, even say upcoming, artist boss in a fair era for what she do right now. Yes, me, she have some good collaboration, good music out there. International wise, she have good amount of artists so I can add on her catalog. Yes, me, so fair catalog of music right now, I would say, oh God, man. Not even the sun so bright, man, like our future bright, man, mama. Yes, me. Anyways, guys, say we just want to say congratulations. I would not fling no fuel in a fire, but me realize the Spice went missing. Like, on the can go check from the day when Shenseea made the post and it go viral. Like, I know Shenseea made the post still. Megan Thee Stallion and tag her. But from that, I see Spice post. You can check it out for yourself, you see me? Yeah, man, look like she in distress right now, the damsel in distress. Anyways, when I think nothing, yeah, man, yo. Ivany herself have new business where she gonna launch her cream, so can check out that video.
Nobody want me. So me have to apologize. I am sorry. So as me I say, people, yeah, as me I say, me gonna launch my bleaching product Friday, my bleaching cream. So I want to try it out. Say me know remedies and girl I go come out strong and I go white. I remember say I was a bleacher back then. I'm always even talk when me use from the media because that's just who me is. If you ask me when my clothes or my buy my clothes or my do my ear, etc., I go always tell you. Because I don't believe in what people say, don't tell nobody your remedy because your remedy now go work back for you. I don't believe in them make them. I don't believe in not telling anybody where I buy my shoes, where I get my clothes them just because I think the girl gonna look better than me or rock it better than me. No, I'm not that type of person. But this remedy, I can't tell you no. I owe it a bun already. Well, this a remedy, I can't go tell you no what this a remedy. So, my bleaching thing, I start Friday. So, everybody knows that I used to sell lash, etc. I kind of put a little hold on the lash thing for personal reasons. Right? For personal reasons, I put a hold on the lash. But I want to have a... Lure! Come! Watch me. May your blood clot. Go back out there, you see. Yeah, go back out there, you see. Chook out your eye, them. Yeah, people. So, what am I saying now? Yeah, so me I come out with it Friday. Me I drop my bleaching thing Friday, and everybody knows say me sell lash, but I have a little hold on the lash as I said for personal reasons. But I want to have a store where I sell everything in the store. If you understand me, I say me just not me not only want to sell lash. So I'll be selling lash and bleaching cream, head bonnets like this. Cause that's how you ask me where me get my head bonnet. I want to sell head bonnets too, and them something there. But I was thinking of selling head bonnets and put my name on it, but not everybody I go and buy head bonnets with my name on it. So I change it. I'm going to sell head bonnets with my logo. I can't go just get up and put everybody's name on the head bonnet because I'm not going to know where so much people name. I have to have different names. So it would have to be pre-orders. And I can't bother with pre-orders right now. But also I have my things them in the store. So what I was planning to do on the head bonnets, them I have them in a different colors, but they're going to have my Louis. Yeah, run. Don't run for me. You not hear me now? You not hear me now? I can't have Ivany skincare because it's not skincare product. It's bleaching cream. I'm an ambassador for one skincare product, so I can't say skincare product. Oh, the number. Forgot about the number. The number now, that will be my business number. So I can save it on the phone for when me I go have the bleaching something I go launch Friday. So you can call me or WhatsApp me on that number for placing the orders, etc. Well, man.